Ever started your car? It runs perfectly fine in park or neutral, but the moment you shift into drive or reverse, it dies. No check engine light, no warning, just stall, silence and confusion. Wait, before you panic and call a tow truck, this problem might not be what you think. In fact, most mechanics miss one or two hidden causes that can save you hundreds of dollars if caught early. Stick with me for the next 6 minutes. Not only will I show you the real reasons your car dies when put in gear, but I'll also share a few secret tips that 90% of videos on YouTube never talk about. And hey, if you love saving money, learning real car diagnostics, and fixing things yourself, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with a friend who drives. Let's get in. First, let's knock out the obvious suspects that most people already mention, but with a twist. Wrench 1. Faulty idle air control valve (IAC). When your car is in gear, the engine is under a bit more load. If the IAC is stuck or dirty, it can't adjust the idle, and boom, your car chokes. Pro tip: don't just replace it blindly. Spray throttle body cleaner inside the valve and check if the engine idle improves even slightly. That's a solid clue it's the IAC. 2. Failing torque converter in automatic transmission. If your car is automatic, the torque converter clutch could be stuck on, so when you shift into gear, it's like dumping the clutch on a manual car at 0 RPM. Instant stall. But here's the twist. This issue often happens only after the car warms up. That's the clue most people miss. Cold starts are smooth, but once the fluid heats up, it stalls in gear. 3. Broken or disconnected vacuum lines. This one is sneaky. A vacuum leak might let the car idle, but the moment engine load increases, like when you shift into gear, the air-fuel mixture becomes unstable. Now here's where most creators stop, but let's go deeper. These next issues are highly underrated but can 100% cause the same problem. 4. Faulty transmission range sensor, aka neutral safety switch. This sensor tells the car what gear you're in. If it's bad or sending false signals, your EQ might think you're shifting incorrectly. Cutting fuel or spark is a safety feature. Symptom to watch: backup lights not coming on in reverse. Or car only starts in neutral, not park. That's your clue. 5. Malfunctioning engine mounts. Yes, really. If your motor mounts are broken, shifting into gear causes the engine to lurch violently, triggering stall protection or cutting off airflow to the intake. Test this. Have someone watch the engine as you gently shift into gear with your foot on the brake. If the engine jumps, mounts might be your issue. 6. Weak alternator or dying battery. Putting your car in gear adds load to the engine and the electrical system. A weak alternator may not keep up, especially if your idle RPM is already low. Pro tip: test voltage with the car idling and headlights on. If it drops below 13 volts, your charging system may be to blame. Alright, time to arm you with a quick checklist. Here's what to do before spending a single dollar at the shop. 1. Clean or replace IAC valve. 2. Scan for OBD2 codes, even hidden pending codes. 3. Check for vacuum leaks. 4. Observe engine behavior when shifting gears. 5. Test battery and alternator under load. 6. Watch the engine movement when engaging gear. 7. Inspect shift linkage or neutral safety sensor. Doing these steps could solve the issue, or at least help you explain it better to your mechanic, and avoid unnecessary repairs. If this video saved you from a breakdown or a bad repair bill, go ahead and tap that like button. It tells YouTube this video is worth sharing. Subscribe if you want real, honest car fixes, not fluff. And turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly uploads. Have you ever had this issue? Or found a weird fix? Drop your experience in the comments below. Let's help the next driver avoid stress and wasted time. And don't forget to share this with someone whose car stalls when shifting. Trust me, they'll thank you later.